What is a crypto exchange? In the world of cryptocurrency and decentralization, it can be difficult to keep up with all the new language and terminology in use. Even more difficult can be learning what all of this terminology actually means and then how to use it to your advantage, or whether to avoid it altogether. Once you've mastered a basic understanding of cryptocurrency, a form of currency that is both exclusively digital and entirely decentralized, it's time to delve into a clearer understanding of the world that currency operates in. Crypto exchange is the entry point to that world. But before we get into that, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on all notifications so you never miss an update or a show. Now, let's get into it. Crypto exchange. While cryptocurrency is the actual currency used for various purposes online, crypto exchange is a critical piece of acquiring the currency in the first place. A crypto exchange is an online platform where users can buy, sell, or exchange cryptocurrency. You can use actual dollars to purchase cryptocurrency. You can cash in cryptocurrency for dollars, or you can exchange one type of cryptocurrency for another. The possibilities are endless. How to get onto a crypto exchange platform. Because you cannot simply go to your bank and buy Bitcoin, Ethereum, or another type of crypto, nor can you show up on a Bitcoin website and buy some coins, you will need to choose a platform or several platforms from which you buy, sell, and exchange currency. This requires you to create an account on each platform you hope to work on. Not all crypto exchange platforms are alike, however, so you'll need to be choosy about where you place your trust and, by extension, your money. You'll have to think about security, insurance, and longevity when it comes to picking your platform. Keep in mind that all exchanges reflect the current market prices of the cryptocurrencies they offer, and that you can and should be able to transfer your regular currency to a crypto exchange from your traditional bank account, as well as transfer money from your crypto exchange back to your standard bank account. There is no one best crypto exchange. It all depends on what you hope to do with it, and there are several factors to consider when choosing. Common crypto exchanges include Coinbase, which has been around since the advent of Bitcoin, Robinhood, Casa, and Gemini. You will ultimately have dozens to choose from, so make your decision with the most information you can get on hand. How to choose your crypto exchange. Accessibility. Make sure the location where you operate from, be it China or New York, will allow you access to your crypto exchange. Because crypto is decentralized and highly unregulated, many countries and even states within the US have passed their own laws concerning how crypto exchanges can be accessed from within their borders. Just check the website of your chosen exchange to be sure it can be accessed from where you are. Security. You have no financial guarantees with crypto like you do with a standard bank, so it's important to check on the security the crypto exchange is guaranteeing. Some, like Coinbase and Gemini, keep any balances you hold in US dollars in FDIC-insured banks. But FDIC will not cover any crypto you hold with them, of course. Some exchanges have insurance policies, others have two-factor authentication. In the end, do your due diligence to be sure your chosen exchange makes security a high priority. Some exchanges will have really high fees, but that is not necessarily a bad thing. Remember, in many ways, you get what you pay for, and fees will cover a lot of expenses, like security and storage. Just be sure what the fee scale is on your platform and how they function. Liquidity. You should be able to buy, sell, or trade your crypto relatively quickly. You don't want to be on an exchange that won't allow you to liquidate whenever you want. Coins offered. If you're interested in a broad range of coins, look for a larger, more reputable exchange like Coinbase. If you're looking for one specific coin, you can check out the smaller, newer exchanges. Just be sure to follow up on all your other factors like security and liquidity along the way. Educational tools. For crypto beginners, educational tools on platforms can be an extremely helpful way to learn about different coins and their functions. Some exchanges, like Coinbase, will even pay you in cryptocurrency to watch videos and take quizzes. Storage. Most crypto advisors will tell you to look for an exchange that keeps the bulk of their coins stored in cold storage, which means offline. This is so that hackers cannot easily access and steal those coins. Tax information. Declaring crypto on your tax return can be a frustrating process, so it's helpful when a platform will provide you with a 1099-B form, which tracks your cost basis and gains and losses, like Robinhood does. Other exchanges will not provide this service, so it's something to consider. To sum up, A crypto exchange is a digital platform where you can buy, sell, or exchange cryptocurrency. Which exchange you choose will be largely up to you and the factors you find most important, including those I've already listed, as well as things like how easy the exchange is to access and use. In the end, you may want to wade in slowly, trying out a few different exchanges, and allow yourself to learn as you go. Before you go, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on all notifications so you never miss an update or a show.